Got a 1962 Pontiac. This one's going in a Catalina. We cleaned it up, redone the case, repolished all the chrome. It was still in pretty good shape. Repolished the knobs, and we done a basic Aurora Design conversion on it. It now has AM/FM stereo, auxiliary in, 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. It does have a preamp on it if you want to add a sub. And got all the push buttons working like they always did, presets. Get to keep them.
Even come up to me, women over the years would say,
we had to change the volume off and on, switch out. The one in it was bad, kept going off, so we changed that out. Got the original background light in it. Right now you're on FM. You have an operating LED over here and a stereo light. So when you find a stereo channel, it lights up. If you want to go to AM radio, just simply turn it off and right back on. Takes you to AM radio.
Deducts most of your income, then you need to call to get
you off my mind. Right back on, takes it off, takes you right back to stereo. Since we've done that, definitely a whole lot more response on the toner. Treble and bass like you've always had. If you hook 2 speakers to it, you'll have the stereo light and balance built in your toner control. If you hook 3 or more to it, you'll have balance, fader, and the stereo light. So definitely I'd run 3 or more or 4. Demonstrate to you how that works. All you do is wide open treble, just back it up a little bit. And we're going to go clockwise like a 12 to 2 motion. 1, 2. And it's going to go in the fader mode. It's going to beep. When it gets through beeping, we're going to be in the fader mode. We can fade from front to rear. As long as you're moving this pot, it will stay there. When you find what you like, just stop. It'll beep once and go back to toner. After that, we're going to do the balance, which is counterclockwise, like a 12 to 10 motion. It's going to do the same thing and put us into balance mode. Rears, fronts. That way you can bring your rears up, you can hear them. Now, that's a pretty good sized car, Catalina is. Balance it out, let it beat. Back on treble and bass. We're going to go back to about the center of it. We're going to go counterclockwise and go into the balance mode. Right side, left side. Balance it out, let it beat. Back on treble and bass. The auxiliary in, you get a 2-piece cable. This is one that you plug in the radio and then hide in your car. And then you get a male-to-male like this. And all you do is just simply plug in your device, anything, a satellite radio, CD player, MP3, anything that's got a head that puts out music you like. All you got to do is plug it in here, bring it up, and turn it on. And it will automatically transfer over. Little light went to green. That means you're on auxiliary in. Now we're getting ready to come off any auxiliary in device that you got plugged into it, light turning green. Just simply turn the device off. And in 20 seconds the radio will go back to where you had it. If you don't want to wait 20 seconds, do like you're doing from AM to FM. It remembers you're back on FM. If I done it now, it would go to AM.
Free quote. 1-800-700.
That's what I wanted to do, and that's the reason why we had to change this out, because it was just, it would come on sometimes and it wouldn't.
1368.
So we got a brand new one in it.
Shop online at Rosen
AM,
Yes,
FM.
and he's having a great time.
Tell me I don't wanna be right.
That's your original 1962 Pontiac Catalina radio with a basic Aurora Design conversion in it is ready to go. I appreciate you letting me do it for you.